Hey, Carlos, what's happening, man? This is Mr. Smith, Anson up at HRR. First of all, I want to say, hey, thank you for your service. Thank you for an outstanding job that you did at SMTC. I'm sure when you get back to Oklahoma, you're going to be with your family back where you belong. So once again, thank you for your service. Thanks for all that you've done. And if you ever need anything, you know where we are.
Hey, Carlos, Colonel Hogsten here, Div Chief for HRR. Obviously, we go back a ways. We got a little bit of history going back to the last time I was in this division and you were over in recruiting operations. So I got a chance to know you there personally and knew how you operate and all the great things you've done there and also what you've done at SMTC. You served there as a chief in a very volatile time, especially during the midst of COVID, and then just being an integral part of transitioning the SQI-4 course to what it is today to be able to continue to train recruiters. You've done a great job. You've made significant contributions to HRR and this organization. I just want to congratulate you and your family on your service, your career, and as you transition to the next phase of your life, I wish you all the best. And as Mr. Smith said, we're always here for you if you need anything. Congratulations, Carlos. Well done, man.
Major Woodard, Sergeant Major, Division Sergeant Major out here at HRR. Just wanted to congratulate you and your family on a long and illustrious career. We want to thank you for all of your leadership and mentorship and guidance to the SMTC and NCOA staff. We want to also, really just thank you for all of the mentorship that you provided for all of the 79 Tangos and SQI-4 soldiers out there. Nobody enlists into the Army National Guard without the recruiters that you guys train out there at the SMTC. So thank you for the ripple effect that you've left and the legacy that you've put on all of the staff and soldiers across the Army National Guard. Once again, we apologize for not being able to attend tomorrow's festivities, but we do want to say thank you for all that you've been able to provide for us. Congratulations once again, Major Woodard.